Today we're going to learn how to make the end of a clasp. Once you're finished with a beautiful necklace, you're going to want to make a loop for the end. So I usually suggest that you take crimping beads and, just for security, and crimp the end of the wire just so your beads don't go flying. Then what you're going to want to do is take, maybe a 2 to 3 inch piece of wire and your round nose pliers. You're going to want to grab the wire towards the end of your pliers. That's going to make your loop even bigger. You're going to start bending using your wrist and your thumb and just keep curving around and curving around, making it as large as you wish. Once you have a nice circle, you're going to grab the wire right through there and make another smaller circle. This circle you're going to make twice or 3 times, whatever works for you. Now you can straighten out this first wire, and there you have your end.